What does a $510,000 home look like in different cities? Do they have over 3,000 square feet of living space? A luxury main bedroom engulfed in natural light, or a private backyard? We're going to different locations in America to see 3 houses at similar listing prices to see what $510,000 can buy you. This is Listing Price. For our first house, we head to Medina, Minnesota, a rural suburb 20 miles west of the state capital, Minneapolis. Today, Medina is home to roughly 6,000 people. And for $484,900, you can move right into this adorable 2-story home. It offers 2,300 square feet of space, including 3 bedrooms and a 2.5 bathroom. It also features a private backyard with a paver patio and fire pit. In warmer weather, it's perfect for entertaining or relaxing. As we head inside, you'll find an open living room area with a fireplace and lots of natural light. We continue toward the compact kitchen with an eat-in island. Check out the dining area at the front of the home that can also be used as a home office. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. First, we have a main bedroom with a full ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. The additional bedrooms are perfect for kid rooms. Downstairs is a finished basement, currently outfitted as a game room and entertainment space. The basement also has an egress window, should you want to add another bedroom. For our next house, we head to Urbandale, a residential city in Iowa that sits 10 miles northwest of Des Moines and homes over 45,000 people. For $529,000, you can live in a ranch-style house with a modern design. The home has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and is the newest house this episode, having been built in 2021. As we head inside, you'll make your way to an open living room with plenty of natural light, a fireplace, floating shelves, and tray ceilings. Adjacent to it is the dining area, and a kitchen that has quartz countertops, an accented island, and a walk-in pantry. Down the hall is a large bedroom suite equipped with a tile shower, dual vanities, and a walk-in closet. Right around the corner are the other 2 main bedrooms connected to a Jack and Jill bath. This shared bathroom is ideal for large families and is a way for the people to have a private bathroom without necessarily having their own. But if you opt not to share, there's a half bathroom right outside the bedrooms. Now let's head downstairs to the basement that also has plenty of natural light. This is a spacious area with a family room, a wet bar, and plenty of storage. Plus 2 additional bedrooms and baths that can be used for guests. Outside is equally as spacious. The dining area leads to an open backyard with a covered patio. The 1,686 square foot home has 3 large car garages that lead into the drop zone and laundry space. For our final house, we head down south to Clover, South Carolina. Home to roughly 6,600 people, Clover sits in the greater metropolitan area of Charlotte and offers a mix of suburban and rural feels. For $515,000, this house offers 3,648 square feet of space and sits in a neighborhood that offers walking trails and other recreational activities close to Lake Wiley. When you first walk inside, there's an open lounge area and dining room. A half bathroom is situated down the hall, close to the living room. The living room has a built-in fireplace and is right next to the kitchen, complete with a large center island, granite countertops, and a separate wall oven. The main floor also has a suite with a full bathroom, perfect for housing guests. The upstairs level is home to 4 main bedrooms. 2 bedrooms are connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. The huge main bedroom offers plenty of natural light and space, with a large walk-in closet and private bath with a separate tub and shower. Right outside the main bedroom is a laundry room and an additional room that can be used as a game room for the kids or a home office. The backyard has a small deck and backs up to the woods for privacy. It's an open yard for kids to play in and to entertain guests in the warmer months. We've looked at 3 homes today with listing prices around $510,000. As we look back at all these homes, we found the smallest home had the most expensive listing price. Though it had the same number of bedrooms and bathrooms as the largest house on our list, factor in that our most expensive house was built just last year compared to the other 2. On top of geographical location, renovations on a house and how new it is all factor into a house's price tag. We hope we gave you a better idea of what your home buying dollar can get you in different cities. Let us know where we should visit next and at what listing price.